Hi guys, I'm Nayantara and I've got an exclusive story for you all today. Watch out for Indiabulls Housing Finance. This is a stock that's very much going to be in focus because pre-market in the block deal window, a big transaction is expected. The founder and promoter, Sameer Gehlaut, is expected to sell nearly a 12% stake in Indiabulls Housing Finance. The book is out. We're being told the deal size could be almost $190 million. Jefferies is the sole book runner. Remember, Sameer Gehlaut has been talking about depromoterizing the Indiabulls group, about paring down his exposure, disengaging his exposure to real estate. We've already seen that happen with Indiabulls Real Estate, where, Sameer Gehlaut has cut down his stake. It's significantly to the single digits, and we also, in fact, for that matter, seen the Indiabulls real estate projects being merged with the Embassy Group headquartered out of Bengaluru. Blackstone also played a very important role in that, and now it's all about Indiabulls Housing Finance. In Indiabulls Housing Finance, Sameer Gehlaut's stake is currently about 21%, but post this block deal, it's going to fall to below 10%, and that's how he's going to be declassified as a promoter. Talking about his future plans and what he's been saying, and this is what is on record at least. That was from earlier this year in October. Sameer Gehlaut had stepped down as chairman of the Indiabulls Real Estate Company. And at that time, we were told he wants to focus on Dani Services, another company that he's a promoter of, and provide tech-enabled transaction services as well as healthcare services. But this story actually also goes all the way back to 2019, when we'd seen Indiabulls Group once again try for becoming a bank. Tried to acquire Lakshmi Vilas Bank. However, that was rejected by the Reserve Bank of India. And one of the biggest regulatory challenges for the Indiabulls Group that time was Sameer Gehlaut's exposure to real estate. And since then, we have seen him trying to reduce that, to disengage with real estate. It's happened already with Indiabulls Real Estate. And today, pre-market, after that big block deal, and once it's all settled, we're going to see Sameer Gehlaut's exposure come down once again in real estate, and this time via Indiabulls Housing Finance. So stay tuned to ETNow. We've been right on top of this story. A block deal window is usually pre-market, and what we've been told by all of our sources is that this should actually go through maybe by 8:45, 8:50 a.m. So let's see, that's typically when you actually see all of this happening. Of course, we reached out to Indiabulls Housing Finance. They did not respond to the ETNow query, so watch out. It's certainly going to be a stock in focus this morning, so stay tuned. We're getting you all the details and breaking them for you right here.